Dialysis. Mode of communication in this video will be the bilingual. So I am going to speak in Hindi as well as in English. So before going for the what is the dialysis is the first question. Second question is which are the indications in which we are going to do dialysis. Okay. And third question, for how much time we are supposed to do the dialysis. Okay. So again I am going to repeat. Basically there are two types of dialysis. First one is a hemodialysis or second one is peritoneal dialysis. Again I am going to repeat. Dialysis के दो types रहते हैं. First one is पहला type is a hemodialysis and the second type of the dialysis दूसरा type रहता है dialysis का is a peritoneal dialysis. So in this video we are going to see one machine that is called as dialysis machine, and by using this machine, इस machine का इस्तेमाल करके we are going to do hemodialysis. What we are going to do? We are going to do hemodialysis. So in this video you are going to see this machine called as dialysis machine. Basically there are two types of dialysis machine. This machine in this video you are going to look is a newer type. It's a newer version of the dialysis machine. ये machine जो हम वीडियो में देख रहे हैं ये मशीन नई मशीन है. इट्स अ न्यूअर वर्जन ऑफ द डायलिसिस मशीन. ठीक है. एंड सेकंड इज द ओल्डर वर्जन. सो दिस वन इज द ओल्डर वर्जन ऑफ द डायलिसिस मशीन. दिस मशीन इज द ओल्डर वन. ओके. नाउ देयर आर सर्टन क्वेश्चंस. व्हाई टू डू डायलिसिस? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द इंडिकेशन ऑफ द डायलिसिस? And third question, for how much time we are supposed to do the dialysis. Okay. Now the answer. Okay. So ultimately the functioning of this dialysis machine is based on the principle. That principle, what is that principle? The principle of diffusion. Okay. So this dialysis machine actually works upon the principle of the diffusion. As we know, solution always move from the area of the high concentration to the area of the low concentration. Yes, हमें पता है कि solution is always moving from the area of the high concentration to the area of the low concentration, and in this dialysis machine we are going to use same principle. इस dialysis machine के अंदर हम same principle use करते हैं. So which is the area or which is the factor of the high concentration and which is the factor of the low concentration? blood of the patient is a area of the high concentration. patient का जो blood रहता है is a area of a high concentration, and this one is another is a dialysis solution. So you can see this one is a bicarbonate solution and the water is the area of the low concentration. So whatever amount of the blood which is coming from the patient to this machine is considered as a solution of the higher concentration, and below you can see a solution which is of a lower concentration. Again I am going to repeat, जितना भी blood patient से आता है उसको high concentration में यूरिया और creatinine का proportion रहता है. And this one in these two drums it consists of the bicarbonate solution and another factor is the water. ठीक है. It is considered as a area of low concentration. ठीक है. So whatever amount of the blood which is coming from the patient, is goes into this typical rod shape is there. Okay. इस rod को हम क्या कहते हैं? Dialyzer कहते हैं. This rod is called as a dialyzer, and here there is a union. Of what? A blood from the patient. There is a union of the blood from the patient, and the second is the dialysis solution. ठीक है. And in this dialyzer it consists of two compartments. dialyzer के अंदर दो कंपार्टमेंट रहते हैं. एक रहता है ब्लड का कंपार्टमेंट और दूसरा रहता है सॉल्यूशन का कंपार्टमेंट, दैट इज डायलिसिस फ्लूइड सॉल्यूशन. ओके. एंड in this dialyzer these two compartments are separated by a semisynthetic membrane, जिसको कि हम एक सेमीसिंथेटिक मेम्ब्रेन कहते हैं, एंड इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सेलुलोज It is made up of cellulose or polyvinyl chloride. This semisynthetic membrane is made up of what? Cellulose or polyvinyl chloride. Okay. Now, what is the function of this membrane? It separates the blood compartment as well as a solution, dialysis solution compartment, and therefore there is a movement of the concentration right from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, and actually the process of filtration is in this rod only. This is called as डायलाइजर. डायलाइजर के अंदर प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन होती है. ओके. नाउ विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ प्रोसेस ऑफ अ हेमोडायलिसिस. कुछ देर के अंदर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ प्रोसेस ऑफ अ हेमोडायलिसिस. ओके. In the patient of chronic kidney disease, dialysis is done. In the patient, again I am going to repeat, in the patient of chronic kidney disease, dialysis is done. CKD के पेशेंट में हम डायलिसिस करते हैं जिनको कि क्रोनिक किडनी डिसीज है. सो द प्राइम रिक्वायरमेंट, मेन इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट क्या रहती है? सो द प्राइम रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द डायलिसिस इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ AV fistula, that is arteriovenous fistula. This fistula is nothing but basically a combination or the union of a artery and a vein. Okay, you people getting my point? Without which we are not going to do dialysis. It is impossible. It is not possible to do the dialysis without this fistula. So in this video, this one is your AV fistula. Okay. Now within few seconds we are going to start a process of a dialysis. Actually so there are in the AV fistula there are two pricking points. First one is a arterial and the second one is a venous. So we are introducing the needle from the arterial line. This one is a needle for the arterial line. Okay. Now again we are going to introduce a needle for the venous line. We are securing a venous line. So we are securing venous line. You people getting my point? दो लाइन्स रहती है, आर्टेरियल लाइन्स एंड सेकंड वन इज अ वेनस लाइन. आर्टेरियल लाइन से ब्लड डायलिसिस मशीन के लिए जाता है एंड द वेनस लाइन से जितना भी ब्लड डायलिसिस मशीन से फिल्टर होता है इट कम्स फॉर द वेनस लाइन एंड इट गोज इनटू द पेशेंट्स बॉडी. ओके. नाउ so here we are going to connect the arterial line. Now so you can see the arterial blood is coming and it is going for dialyzer. Okay. The flow of the blood is at the 250 to 400 ml per minute. Okay. And the prime requirement before doing this dialysis is of heparin, क्योंकि there are chances that blood may clot in the extracorporeal this wiring system. So we have to introduce or we have to do a use of a heparin so that the blood cannot clot inside these pipes. Okay. So the usual dose of the heparin is 2000 international unit to 5000 international unit. See, इस पेशेंट में हमें हेपेरिन भी यूज़ करना पड़ता है बिकॉज देर आर चांसेस, उसके चांसेस क्या रहते हैं कि द ब्लड मे क्लॉट इनसाइड दिस पाइप्स एंड देयरफॉर यू हैव टू यूज़ द हेपेरिन. यू पीपल गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ओके. सो as you people are going to see the blood is coming from the patient through the inlet. This one is the inlet of the dialyzer. Okay, and this one is the dialyzer. Blood is getting filtrated over here. There are two compartment. As I already said, मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको कि इसके अंदर दो कंपार्टमेंट रहते हैं. फर्स्ट कंपार्टमेंट रहता है ब्लड का कंपार्टमेंट और सेकंड कंपार्टमेंट जो रहता है वो डायलिसिस फ्लूइड का कंपार्टमेंट. एंड देयर इज़ अ मूवमेंट ऑफ what? There is a movement of the solution right from the area of the high concentration to the area of the low concentration, and here the process of the filtration occurs. Here यहाँ पे filtration की process होती है, and in this process of the filtration, this filtration की process में there is a removal of toxic substances called as urea and creatinine. Okay, and there is a removal of the water also. So in this process we are going to remove urea and the creatine, and there is also the removal of the water also. Okay, excess of the fluid as well as urea and creatine are removed from this dialyzer. Okay, the blood is getting filtrated. After the removal of the excessive fluid, urea, creatinine, okay, the filtrated blood goes to this outlet. This one is the outlet, and again this outlet is connected with a venous line. You people can see a venous line through which this outlet is connected. Okay, so my basic question is, yes, we do the dialysis in the patient of a chronic kidney disease as well as other conditions. Yes, we do the dialysis in the patient of a chronic kidney disease as well as the other condition. But which are the main, as I already said, the filtered blood is going via this outlet. This one is the outlet, and it goes for the venous line. Okay, it goes for the venous line. Okay, this blood is going for the venous line. Now my next question is, what are the indication for doing the dialysis? Okay, as I already said, a CKD patient, मैंने पहले ही बताया आप लोगों को कि CKD patient में हम usually dialysis करते हैं, और भी सारे there are other conditions too in which we usually do a dialysis. Okay, but main contributing factor, जो factor mainly responsible है कि dialysis initiate करने के लिए, that are volume overload. First, patient में volume overload में चले जाना. Second is encephalopathy, uremic encephalopathy. Second one is uremic encephalopathy. Third one is uremic pericarditis. Fourth one is a pulmonary edema. Okay, then fifth one is metabolic acidosis. Again I am going to repeat, fifth one is metabolic acidosis, and the last is volume overload patient, So these are the indications. ये सब indications रहते हैं dialysis के initiate करने के लिए. Now my next question is, for how much period we are supposed to do dialysis? हमने dialysis कितने time period के लिए करना है? So basically there is a one general rule कि dialysis is done at least 3 times per week. Dialysis usually हफ्ते में 3 बार किया जाता है, and for each time, हर एक बार you are supposed to do dialysis for at least 4 hours. So again I am going to repeat, usually हमें dialysis हफ्ते में 3 बार करना रहता है. Okay, हर एक बार dialysis should be at least for minimum 4 hours. कम से कम dialysis 4 hours के लिए चाहिए. Okay, so कितने घंटे होते हैं per week? So it's absolutely 12 hours per week. So dialysis should be absolutely for 12 hours per week. So this is all about the dialysis. This is all about the hemodialysis. This is all about the indication for the dialysis. This is all about the main contributing factor for the dialysis, and this is all about for how much time period we are supposed to do dialysis. Thank you for watching this video, and keep subscribing my channel. Thanking you.